Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this review, we are going to be discussing the Alpha Striker US30 Expert Advisor. It's an EA built around a neural network model and aimed at trading the US30 index. Quick note before we start, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the links in the description below. Now, with respect to the platform, Alpha Striker US30 is available for both MT4 and MT5. As you can see, this is the MT5 version and the MT4 version is just right here. All right, so whether you are using MT4 or MT5, you are covered. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be focusing on this MT5 version, and our back test was also done on the MT5 version. So let us walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Shockboz Mama Rasulov, currently on version 2.1, last updated on the 2nd of April 2024 with 5 activations. It is priced at 300 US dollars to buy with a monthly rental at 60 US dollars or a 6-month option at 180 US dollars, saving 51%. The page also notes a scheduled price increase is coming at a future date, so that is worth checking if you are on the fence. All right, you can see according to what is written here, but as at the time of recording, it's already past June 31st, so I wonder if this is really going to take place. As at the time of recording, this is 25th of July. Anyways, according to the description, this is version 2.1 in what the developer calls their stochastic. Okay, this is version 2 actually, V2, in what the developer calls their stochastic series, described as a fully automated EA. Interestingly, the page describes it both as designed to trade currencies only, while also stating the recommended working pair is US30 specifically. So it's worth keeping in mind that US30 is an index, not a currency pair, and that is simply how the page presents it. The developer states it showed stable results on the tested instruments across the 2020 to 2024 period, and that it avoids martingale, greed, and scalping style money management. The page also goes into detail on the underlying technology. It is trained using a multi-layer perceptron neural network. Okay, a type of feed-forward neural network that is trained through back propagation. In plain terms, the developer's pitch is that this allows the system to learn from historical data, adapt to changing market conditions, and identify patterns that simpler rule-based methods might miss. On specifications, the page lists the working symbol as US30, time frames of M1, M3, and M5, and a minimum deposit of $25,000 with a minimum leverage of 1:30. All right, a good ECN broker is recommended but not stated as mandatory. The features listed include no grid, no averaging, no other risky money management methods, a hard stop loss and take profit on every position. Testing results, the developer describes as stable since 2020 using 85.4% quality quotes. and the page states it is not sensitive to broker conditions. It is also listed as compatible with FTMO and other prop firms. Now let us get into the historical testing. I ran this on a $10,000 account. As you can see, I conducted the test on US30 on the M5 charts, which are, following the recommendations, covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. Before anything else, I want to flag something important here. The marketplace page states a recommended minimum deposit of $25,000, while this test ran on a $10,000 account, well below that stated minimum. So that is a meaningful gap from the developer's own recommended operating conditions. So keep that context in mind as we go through the numbers. With that said, here is what the test showed. The total net profit for the period was a loss of $1,580. Every single one of the 11 total trades placed during this test was a loss. You can see 0% win rate with a profit factor of 0 and a negative recovery factor. The largest single losing trade came in at $223. All right. So it was just a losing streak. It was just a losing streak. To wrap up, based purely on what is shown here, this particular historical test produced a fully negative result, with every trade landing as a loss. It's worth remembering this test ran on capital well below the developer's own stated minimum deposit, so it doesn't necessarily reflect the account size and conditions the EA is designed around. Okay, but if we look at the provided report here, it shows, in this case, profit factor 2.2, total net profit 22,840. I would have loved to see the duration of the test. All right, in this case, win rate was about 71.92%. Okay, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and I will recommend that you also run your own test at $25,000 or more than that for the deposit level, and also across a longer period and forward testing on demo before drawing any conclusions about how this EA actually performs. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.